Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Opa.
Jay, happy birthday sa'yo. Pagkala natin hindi nag-aarap sa inuman. Sana mag-ingat ka lagi dyan at maging masaya ka sa arawan mo. Huwag mo kalimutan yung sapatos ko. Sana, kahit doon mo si Kyrie, nilipat na ng team. Lakers na yung next season. Kaya love you.
Hi, kamusta Reds? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito JJ.
Ingat kayo dyan. We love you. Sorry for the haggard face.
Tito, happy birthday!
Pablo, happy birthday. Hindi ka na nagpainom ah.
Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Jay. God bless always. More birthday to come and more blessings to come. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Jay. Kakagising lang ng ninang mo. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Ingat kayo lahat. Ilang taong ka na ba? Kailan ka uwi? Anyway, happy birthday.
Loy, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. From Philippines with love. Ganun sa muli. Kita-kits.
Happy 60th birthday, JJ Utot. Ito wish ko to na lagi kang masaya. Mag-ingat ka lagi dyan, Ton. Ingat kayo lagi ng sana magkaroon ka na ng baby katulad ko. Kita-kita tayo pag uwi mo, Ton. I miss you, Ton. Mama, chup-chup.
Hi, Jay! Happy birthday! More to come! Tsaka, inom mo na!
Hello, Otot. Happy birthday. Kahit mapang-asar ka, love na love kita. I love you. Happy birthday, Otot.
Birthday, Otot! Mami!
Oh.
Ikaw na! Ayos.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jay.
Happy birthday, Bagets! Pasyat ka na!
Pare, birthday. God bless. Good day. Love you, mama, chup-chup. Chat na. Hindi na patagal yan.
Goy, happy birthday, Brad. More blessings sa good health. Siguro na kayo naman na lahat. Yun naman, good health sa more blessings pa. Tapos, bata, Brad, hinihintay na yung magiging bagong tropa nila. Alam mo naman yung mga bata na yun. Magkakatropa din. Magkakatropa din yung mga anak namin. Yun. Kaya gawa ka na, Brad. Binigyan nila yung sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Jay, happy birthday. More blessing to come.
Repa, happy birthday. God bless.
More blessings, pare.